You guys, and what is up? Welcome back to Vlogmas Day 2. I am so excited. Yay! I am at my doctor's appointment right now. I have an infusion. So, like, I don't know if I told you all. I don't think I updated you all. I look a hot mess. I'm sorry. I literally took a shower and walked out of my house. But, my medication changed. So I have rheumatoid arthritis, in case you're new. I've talked about it in the past. Oh, let me move this. But I have rheumatoid arthritis and I used to take Orencia for it. But that has changed just about 3 months ago or so. And I am now taking Cimzia. I think I like briefly talked about it. My husband and I have thought about starting a family, and I saw a fertility specialist and everything. One of the things that I needed to adjust was my medication, because I take Orencia. It could be harmful, so we changed it to Cimzia. It's been kind of successful, but there's still like minor pain. Also, it's like raining really bad, so it could be related to the weather, so I'm kind of like just taking it day by day. But I'm really excited to have my appointment today and get my injections. It's now 2 injections instead of an infusion, and see my doctor. I see my doctor at 9:30. I need to get back to work at 10:30, so I'm hoping that my doctor can see me kind of early. But that is the situation. There's people right next to me, but I'm just gonna not care. I feel like people should not be smoking near a health facility, but anyways, I'm excited to just get my medication, get things going. But after this, I'm just gonna head home, go to my house, get started with work and all the things. But anyways, I just wanted to update you all, and welcome back to Vlogmas Day 2. Today should be a little bit more fun. After work, we're gonna go to a basketball game, so I'm excited to go to a Spurs game and just kind of take y'all along. I don't think our seats are very good, but we just kind of wanted to do something, get in there and have some fun. So I will definitely bring you all along for the ride and bring you all along for the entire day. So I will update y'all later. I'm so excited. Hey you guys, I'm home. Oh my gosh, I thought I was barely gonna make it. Like, it was crazy. Like, I got my shots, so I have 2 band-aids on my tummy, but I got my shots and I rushed home after my doctor's appointment because I had a doctor's appointment scheduled. My shots were at 8:15. My appointment with my doctor was at 9:30, and I had to be back at work by 10:30. So I felt a little rushed there, but thankfully they got done pretty fast. Usually it's just a quick, like, oh, it's a flare-up, okay, cool. Like, it's not like staying, it's not consistent, you can say. It's not like I have been flaring up for like months, so it's just a week. The weather's been pretty crappy, so that makes sense. And then they drew some blood, just end of the year blood. I obviously did not record in there because that would be a little awkward, and plus, like, it's a doctor's office, like HIPAA laws and everything. Like, I just don't want to record in there. It just makes no sense. So here I am. I'm back at home. I am downstairs again because we're gonna have a cozy time. I made myself some coffee. I feel like this is like a La Casa de Natasha Christmas mug. Like, it has these cute little cactuses. I had gotten this mug at Starbucks like a really long time ago. I think it's been maybe like 4 years, maybe even more. I think it's maybe been like 6 years since I've had this mug. I got it when I was living in Austin, which has been a while. But anyways, I just wanted to update you all that I'm home. I showed you all yesterday that I put up the Christmas tree. So that is up, and Caesar has found his bed. I've moved his bed from one side of the TV to the other. I don't know if I'm permanently gonna leave it there because it is kind of in the middle of the walkway, but we'll figure that out. So I'm thinking maybe I can put it, so I put my little tree, this fake tree, right over here, so maybe I can put his bed right here. I'm actually gonna move that to this corner over here, but right now I have a box down there with like Christmas gifts. So I figured I could maybe move that tree over there and then put his bed on that corner so it's not in the way, because right now, oh my gosh, you guys, he is literally right there. So it's in the middle. This is like the stairs, so we come down and we could like, we would never step on him, of course, but we could like bump his bed or something. So want to make sure, let me fix this. Want to make sure to move it out of the way. But anyways, I just wanted to update you all. You guys, I got this. So my husband's grandma, her birthday is on Sunday, and I had gotten her a little necklace from, I think it was Macy's, I don't know, one of the department stores, and I thought it was really cute. She loves jewelry, so I figured I could get her like just a set of like a necklace and earrings, and I thought it was so funny. I think she's gonna be so happy because she loves like out there jewelry, but like it has a light. Like how funny is that? But I think it's really cute, and I think she's gonna love it. It's like this emerald color with like a halo around it. It's cubic zirconia, so it's not like it's real diamonds or anything, but I think she's gonna love it. So I don't know if we're gonna give that to her, because I had bought it for her for Christmas, and her birthday's on Sunday, so I was thinking maybe I can go buy her something, or I can just give her that for her birthday, or maybe do the opposite. So I don't know. I thought about getting her like a cute little cozy blanket for her birthday, and then for Christmas gifting her that. I don't know. What do y'all think? This, her birthday's on Sunday, so I can easily go to one of the stores. I live like maybe like 5 minutes away from like a shopping center, so I have easy access to a store to get her like a cute cozy blanket with maybe like a mug or something, and save that for Christmas. I feel like that's more Christmassy. Or given that it's green, like an emerald green, I can give that to her birthday, and maybe she can wear it for Christmas. And sorry you guys, I keep looking at the screen instead of looking at the lens, so yeah, my bad. But anyways, I'm pretty sure I showed you all yesterday my planner, and it turned out so cute. I'm obsessed with it. Other thing that I'm gonna do today is read during my breaks and lunches. I still have this book that I need to finish up, and that is the plan for today. So anyways, I'll stop talking. Hopefully I can get the decorations up for Christmas. For the Christmas tree. It's giving me some problems. I think I told you all yesterday that I guess one of the light bulbs went out, and so we have to find which one went out to switch it out to like fix them. I don't know. So that's a situation. I thought maybe I could work around it and kind of put decorations in, because it's just like a little section. So I figured maybe I can work around it and it wouldn't be such a big of an issue, but we'll see what happens. Anyways, I'm gonna get to work because I have a day left of training, well, for this week, and then I have 2 more weeks left, so yay.
So pretty. Is it good? Yeah, it's cute.
Woo! We're done. Yay, my package arrived. I have no idea how I'm gonna bring that box in. It's 60 pounds, but I'm gonna try to figure it out because it's my desk. I'm so excited. Update, I did it. It was really heavy, but I did it. It's lunchtime. It's 12:37, which time went by really fast. Let me just fix you all here. Okay, but it is 12:37. I just warmed up some soup that my mom gave me, so I'll have to take that out. Probably should have split this into 2. So she made some soup yesterday. So yeah, she made some soup yesterday, and I went over to hang out for a little bit, and she was kind enough to give me 2 bowls to go, because I love my mom's soup, like love it. So I'm really excited to have this for lunch. I should probably warm up the other, I probably should have warmed up the other bowl, but I think this will be fine. So I'm really excited to have this, and I'm gonna sit on the couch and just hang out for a little bit. I do have to put my husband's, let me flip this. Those dishes are clean, by the way. Just putting that out there. But I do have to go upstairs to put my husband's laundry in the dryer because there's some stuff in there that he needs for tonight. But I figured I would do that during my break. But that is the plan. I'm just gonna eat, chill out, watch some vlogs. I was gonna decorate the Christmas tree today, but I can't get, so I told y'all that I've been struggling with a little bit of a flare up with my like joints and stuff, and I can't get the box out of the garage. We have shelves out there, and it's like on one of the tighter shelves, and I can't take it out. So I'm gonna have to wait for Matthew to get home to help me with that. So that is the situation with that. So I guess the Christmas tree will have to be a weekend activity, but I'm excited. Anyways, I'm gonna go ahead and eat because I'm hungry. You guys, so this is us going to the Spurs game. What you just saw was us in line, like trying to get in. They were giving away free bobbleheads. So we obviously wanted to get there early to make sure that we got our bobbleheads. They're so cute. Like you have to collect all, I think it's 4 of them. And it's pretty awesome. Okay, it's 5. Matthew just corrected me. This is the game is about to get started. I love when they wave this giant flag around. It's like so massive. It doesn't even look real. Like I did zoom in there for a little bit so you can like see it up close. I don't know. It just looks insane. Like the way it just waves. I'm like mesmerized by it. But this is when they're like introducing all the Spurs players. It's pretty fun. I love it. There weren't a lot of people there because there was it the UTSA game that was going on?
Yep.
Yeah, the UTSA game was going on, which is University of Texas in San Antonio, and they made it to, I don't know, it's some championship game, whatever.
Conference USA.
Conference USA. Matthew's correcting me because I don't know anything about sports.
Yep.
This is tip-off. Is that what it's called, Matthew?
Yep.
Tip-off. Yay, I was right. But this is tip-off, so the game's getting started. As you can see, like, it was empty. And this was, like, a little later on in the game. They do, like, little games in between, like, quarters or, like, whenever they call, like, a timeout or something. There's, like, a, like, 2, 3, like, what is it, 2 minutes for a timeout? So they'll do little things here and there, and they're just, like, hilarious and fun to watch. But yeah, this is when the Spurs finally took the lead in the game, and Matthew was watching the Utah, he corrected me earlier, the Utah game.
And USC.
And USC. He was watching the game on his phone because he wanted to keep up with the score. It was just kind of funny that we had a game on his phone and then watching the Spurs in the background while we were actually there. So yeah, it was tons of fun. Hey you guys, so we made it home from the Spurs game. It was tons of fun. It was a little hard for me at first because I was in pain, but thankfully I was able to tough through like to the end of the 3rd quarter, so that's pretty good. And we were gonna stop at, Caesar wants to talk apparently. He's over here trying to climb up, but I forgot what I was gonna say. We were gonna stop to grab some food, but we decided to just come home and save going out to maybe tomorrow since we had stuff at the arena. But it was tons of fun. I just wanted to update you all. Caesar, he's out here trying to go upstairs. He can't go upstairs. But anyways, I'm gonna go ahead and edit this vlog, and I will literally see y'all tomorrow. So talk to y'all tomorrow. If you enjoyed this, please give me a thumbs up. If you want to watch more of my videos, please subscribe, and I will talk to y'all tomorrow. Bye.